Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and clicking on this icon of a sun located on the left of brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, click on the same one. You can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. Then click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!